Yeah, okay. So instead of all of that, I thought it would be a little easier if I just used this. So, yeah, that right there works. Running all the resistors and the diodes in a circle, and then you got your capacitor over here, negative hooked up to a resistor over here to this side, and all the blah blah blah. Let's not do all that. So I'm gonna take, I know my floor is dirty, thanks for pointing it out, little pieces of wire and plastic. So this is a 18650 lithium ion 30 amp if you can see here, it says discharge current is 30 amps, but 60 amps can last for 75 seconds. So it can do 60 amps for a minute and 15 seconds. I mean, come on. 3.7 volts, lithium ion battery, 2100 milliamps, continuous. And that actually lasts me for, one of these will last me all day long in my vaporizer. But this battery right here is dead, and I'll go ahead and show you. I love this thing. It's temp controlled. What brand again was it? I think it's EFS, something like that. But it's one of the best ones that I've ever had. E-Leaf. That's it. E-L-E-A-F. E-Leaf. But it's very simple to work. Let's see, right now I got a full charge battery. Evened it out to where it does exactly 3 volts, 56.3 watts. And I've got a Baby G. It's not a clone, it's the actual Baby G on here. I know my light's on, so it's kind of hard to see, but it is. There we go. There we go. And it actually tells you on here best at 50 to 110 watt, or best between 60 and 80 watts, but you can use between 50 and 110 watts, and that's it runs at 0.15 ohms. Yeah, I've got this one running at 0.16 ohms, so just a tiny bit more resistance than what it's saying. But what I wanted to show you guys is it's almost dead. It's almost completely dead. See the battery symbol over there? I'm gonna go ahead and kill this until it won't work no more, which will leave it at about 20%. And then I'm going to continue with this long, boring video. But I wanted to show you guys how to bypass all of this circuitry with the N-channel MOSFET and all this crap to get a laser to work. This is part 2 of the first video, so I just wanted to show you guys something. And it's completely adjustable, and you don't even have to use a potentiometer. I'm going to show you something I thought was kind of neat, and I wish I'd have known, because I'm studying lasers right now for fun And yeah, without further ado, I guess I should go ahead and kill this one down until it won't work no more, and then I'll put it on there, because I want it to be completely dead so you guys can see what a dead battery will do. And then I might show what this one's almost fully charged. It's also 18650. It's a little stronger. It's got 25 milliamps, 2500 milliamps per hour, whatever, 2.5 amps per hour, I guess, however you want to say it. But it's not much difference between this and this one. It's pretty much really close. So let me go ahead and smoke on this, or vape on this for a minute. I don't smoke anymore. I quit smoking cigarettes. And I'm going to pause right here and show you guys that. Yeah, okay. Battery's too low. Won't do nothing. It's just flashing. Alright, so let me take this battery right here. Red would be positive. The negative is right here, and it actually goes all the way up the sides to the outside edge of this, and then the middle of this piece right here is your positive. So, Bear, are you barking at the kitties? Alright. I got the light on and you can't see it. Dadgummit. Alright, well, what you can do is your positive and negative. See the light come on? Barely comes on. There we go. See the light? On, off, on, off. Alright. Now, go ahead and there we go. Now I can do it. Yay, good job. Actually, well, you already saw the light, come on. So, I'm going to put all these resistors on here. Hook up to the positive and the negative. Oh, wait, looky there. A dead battery. Yeah, and I advise people not to mess with lasers without safety goggles and such on, because they are very dangerous. You can put your eye out, you know, I mean, seriously, you'll put your eye out, you will, promise, but you'll burn your eye out. But just by using, you know, let's just see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Yeah, I just wound those backwards. So, hook our positive up right here, and our negative right there, and we have a dim laser. Okay. We'll add the other 4 in there. And I'm going to try and get it to where I can show you guys with one on there and then putting the other set on there too. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay. There's one. Alright, there's one. Okay. And there's two. Now let's add a bunch more resistors and see what it does. Since you're supposed to have 6 volts before this will even come on, or 5 volts, something like that, and this is 3.7, let's figure out what's going on. Add some more resistors, see what we get. I'll be right back.